Hi, welcome to MarginDesk.AI tutorials. This session is going to cover adding costs or cost of goods sold. We'll cover creating a new cost from inside the interface. We'll also cover how to import costs from an Excel or export costs to an Excel. Let's log in. From here you can click on Configure Costs, Vendors, Products, and Pricing. We'll collapse the menu and then look to see what we've already got set up. In this account, I can see that I've already set up a few cost items. Let's create a new cost item, import it to be a product. I click the plus icon and I'm going to select a vendor. I'm going to set up some customer success hours. Your product or service can be anything from a physical good to a product that you actually buy and resell. In this case, this is going to be part of our team, so I'm going to go ahead and click Customer Success Team. We're going to add customer success hours to our contract later, so let's go ahead and set up a product for that. Our cost category is going to be labor. The cost category and the cost subcategory fields, you can either select from the list or you can type in something new. Next, give this a unit name, and you'll notice that hours also shows up here next to the units used to make things easier. We had 4,000 CS hours used just last month, so that's what we'll set up. For our cost allocation period, we'll set up 1 month. Next, let's put in what our pre-discount unit cost is for this. This is what we pay for a fully loaded headcount person on our team. Let's say this person is paid $65 an hour. In this case, there's no tariff, so we'll leave that alone. And as you can see, it starts to calculate other fields for us, including our total costs for all of the service hours that are used, and so on. We'll go ahead and create the new item. Now you can see that we've added a new cost item. If we want, we can click on this gear icon to see all of our costs. This is where you see the new item that we just created, the CS hours. And there are fields over here to indicate the daily cost or one-time cost. If you look at this recurring item, this means this is a recurring cost item. This one down here means that it is a one-time cost item. Let's go back in and look at that detail again. This particular item is a CS support item, and we're going to call it a recurring cost item because it's a recurring cost to us. If this was a fixed set of hours that we wanted to include with a particular set of features, we could call it a fixed cost item. If you're buying a piece of hardware, it's usually a fixed cost item. If you're buying an API or a certain number of APIs per month, then it's usually a recurring cost item. And that's our cost item update. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions or comments.